Students, today we will be doing the notice writing. It's of 5 marks in your exam, and it's important from examination point of view as it is quite easy to secure marks in it. So there are some tips that you have to keep in mind while writing a notice. The word limit of notice is 50 words. While writing the notice, firstly you have to mention the name of the school or organization or office that is issuing the notice. Then you have to give a line gap and you have to mention the word notice. Make sure that it is in the bold. Then you have to give a line gap and you have to write the date on the left side of the notice. Then give a line gap and then write the heading and make sure that you are underlining the heading. Then you have to give a line gap and you have to write the content. Make sure that the content is in 50 words and moreover it is crisp and it contains all the relevant details such as date, venue, time, etc. because these minute details are very necessary. In the last, you have to write the signature, name and designation of the person. Don't forget to put a notice in a box. Please make sure that you are putting a notice in a box. Don't forget to do it. Now, marking scheme of the notice. You know that notice is of 5 marks. How these 5 marks are segregated. For the format, you get the 1 mark which consists of notice. Word notice you have to write heading, place, date. Means if a school is there, then the name of the school. Date, signature with name and designation. In the contents, you have to write when a thing is happened, where it is happened, to whom you are targeting and what is the main agenda of writing that notice. And you have to write the whole content within the 50 words and it consists of 2 marks. And spelling and grammar and expression coherence it consists of 2 marks. Now I am showing you the format of how to write the notice that I have told you earlier. Firstly, make sure that you are putting a notice in a box. Then you have to write the name of the institution or organization of office in a bold letters. Then a line gap. Write the word notice, that is also in a bold letters. Then a line gap. Put the date. Make sure that you are putting the date on the left side. And second thing, put it in a same way, like first date, then month, then year. Don't jumble it. Then a line gap, give a suitable heading and underline it. Then a line gap, write the contents. It must consist the date, time, venue and all important details. It must be in 50 words. Then a line gap, do the signatures, write the name and designation of the person who is writing the notice. This is the format of writing the notice. This is a notice question. Like, as principal of Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, Lucknow, draft notice in not more than 50 words informing students of change in school timings with effect from 1st of October. State valid reason for the change. इसमें क्या बोला है, आप प्रिंसिपल हो सरदार पटेल विद्यालय लखनऊ के, आपको नोटिस लिखना है 50 वर्ड्स में. बच्चों को इन्फॉर्म करना है कि स्कूल के टाइमिंग्स चेंज हो रहे हैं 1 अक्टूबर से और आपको बताना है स्कूल टाइमिंग्स क्यों चेंज हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. अब इतना देखते ही आपके दिमाग में क्या होगा, नोटिस है तो एक बॉक्स बनाना है. सबसे पहले स्कूल का नाम लिखेंगे बोल्ड में, फिर एक लाइन गैप देंगे, नोटिस लिखेंगे बोल्ड में, फिर हम एक लाइन गैप देंगे. ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड वी विल प्रोवाइडिंग द डेट, देन वी विल बी हैविंग अ लाइन गैप एंड वी विल बी राइटिंग द हेडिंग. We will be underlining the heading, then by a line gap we will be writing the content, then a line gap. On the left side we will be doing signature, name and designation of the person. Okay, it's here principal as the principal of me. अब इसमें मेन थिंग क्या है कि जो स्कूल के टाइमिंग्स चेंज हो रहे हैं वो 1 अक्टूबर से हो रहा है, तो जो डेट होगी वो सितंबर की होनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग है, आपको वैलिड रीज़न देने हैं. When you see the 1st of October, it means it's a winter season. So you can state the reason that due to the winter season and due to extreme fog, school is changing its timing. Okay. Now I am showing you a written notice. Please pause your video over here and then write the notice and then see what are your mistakes. Firstly, I have put it in a box. Then name of the school, Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, Lucknow. Then a line gap, notice. Then a line gap. On the left hand side, 22nd September, date. Then a line gap, change in school timings. Then a line gap, all students are hereby informed about a change in school timings from 1st October. The school will now start at 9 am and end at 3 pm. In the past few years, it has been seen that winters are rather severe and it becomes quite difficult to start early due to dense fog. So these new timings will be followed till further notice. Issuing authority is principal. इसमें क्या बोला है कि all students are hereby informed. इस word को make sure that you are remembering this phrase. All students are hereby informed. Whenever you have to write a notice for a school in which you have to inform the students, generally started by writing like this: all students are hereby informed. बच्चों को इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि चेंज हो रहा है स्कूल का टाइमिंग 1 अक्टूबर से. स्कूल स्टार्ट होंगे 9 am, एंड होंगे 3 pm. हमने कुछ पिछले सालों में देखा है कि विंटर्स बहुत ज़्यादा सीवियर थी और बहुत दिक्कत होती है फॉग की वजह से जल्दी स्टार्ट करना स्कूल. इसीलिए नए टाइमिंग्स फॉलो होंगे टिल फर्दर नोटिस. दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. लास्ट लाइन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. किस नए टाइमिंग्स कब तक चलेंगे? जब तक वी डोंट प्रोवाइड यू एनी फर्दर नोटिस. ओके, नाउ वी आर डूइंग अनदर नोटिस. It is, as Post Secretary of GDG Public School Pune, draft notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, informing the students about the sale of old sports goods of your school. You are रोहिणी और रोहित. क्या बोला है? आप स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी हो GDG पब्लिक स्कूल पुणे के. आपको नोटिस लिखना है 50 वर्ड्स में अपने स्कूल के नोटिस बोर्ड के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स को इन्फॉर्म करते हुए कि जो ओल्ड स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स हैं वो बिक रहे हैं, वो आपका स्कूल उन्हें सेल करना चाहता है. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे वीडियो को pause your video over here and write the notice by yourself and then see what are your mistakes. Firstly, I have put it in a box. Then name of the school, gap, notice, gap. On the left there is date, then a line gap. Heading, sale of old sports goods आएगा यहाँ पे. There is a mistake, there will be sports goods. Then a line gap. Students are hereby informed that our school is organizing sale of its old sports goods like cricket bat, badminton, lawn tennis rackets, football, cricket and football gears, etc. In the PE room on 21st August, those students interested in purchasing these can visit the PE room on the assigned date during their free periods or recess time. Issuing authority is Rohit, हु इज़ द स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी. ओके, इसमें क्या लिखा है? बच्चों को इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है स्कूल ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है सेल उसके पुराने गुड्स की जिनके नेम मेंशन है. मेक श्योर राइट करो कहाँ पे है ये. इन द PE रूम, इन ऑडिटोरियम, इन स्कूल हॉल, कहाँ पे है? डोंट फॉरगेट. ये मेन डिटेल. एंड डेट, किस दिन है. अब जो इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो आ सकते हैं उस रूम में उस डेट पे उनके फ्री पीरियड्स में या रिसेस टाइमिंग्स में. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.